Today we've added some additional flexibility for our tournament organizers. Previously, you could only limit the number of entries by tournament, and you can now do it by draw. So let's take a look at that new setting in action. We've got a tournament profile here in front of us, 2 draws already set up, one of which is using the new setting, and we've set a 3-player maximum, and one has no limit. How do you access the setting? Well, admin draws, and then draw settings. You'll see this new option here, limit entries. This one is enabled, and we've set it to 3. Currently this draw has 2 players in it, so we should be able to enter. I'm going to switch over to a second tab here, which is showing our sign-up portal, step 2, and you can see that both draws are available. We're going to switch back now to the 3-player maximum draw, and we're going to go and add a 3rd player. Let's do that quickly. Okay, so it's full now, so let's go back to the sign-up portal to make sure that's reflected. Just going to do a quick refresh here, and we can see that I'm no longer eligible to enter the 3-player maximum draw. Only the no limit remains. Hopefully the additional flexibility helps. Please let us know if you have any feedback. Thanks for watching.